Alright, welcome to another session on Ben's English Lab. In this video, I want to explain to you the right way to use the words borrow and lend. Now, these two words are quite opposite. They're like two separate routes, two parallel lines that can never meet. You know, when you have two parallel lines, it's like the two are going side by side and there is no possibility of them meeting, right? Okay, so what does it mean to lend and what does it mean to borrow? To lend means to give out something belonging to you with the intention of having it back. You're giving out with the intention of having it back. Now, borrow, the word borrow is a verb, is an action word that means taking what belongs to another person with the intention of using very well and returning to them. So how do we use these words in sentences? For example, you say, I have this ear, and I say, I want to lend this out to you. I want to lend this to you. Make sure you return it first thing tomorrow. Now, if I give this to you, I've lent it out to you. Now, if you would take it away from me, go somewhere else, and somebody asks you, where did you get this from? Or you say, excuse me, or somebody wants to have the same property or material from you. You say, excuse me, I can give this out to you. I can lend you this because I borrowed it from a friend. I took it from a friend. I borrowed it. It is wrong to say, oh, I lent it from a friend. No, you didn't lend it from a friend. You didn't lend it from a friend. Rather, you borrowed it. You took it from a friend. So remember, the person who is giving out will say, I'm lending it, while the person who is taking will say, I borrowed it from him. I borrowed it from a friend. I borrowed it from a friend. I hope you've been able to learn the right way to use the words borrow and lend. Remember, you're addressed the way you speak, and the way you speak determines how relevant you are. Remember that. Now remember the saying, you're judged the way you speak. You're judged the way you're dressed. You know, you read the book by its cover. The cover in this guide is how you sound and how you speak. Remember to speak right. And right on this series titled Ben's English Lab, you are going to learn English the right way and you get to learn to speak the right way. So remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting educational lessons like this, because right here, you're going to have a ride of a lifetime. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.